Welcome to Polymer Update TV, the world's first and only TV network with a free petrochemicals news show. It is Wednesday, November 25th. I am Shriyal Dhume. Our special newsreel today is sponsored by Delhi-based Nuplast Machinery. Let's start with energy news. Crude oil prices spiked on Tuesday following news of a third promising vaccine against the pandemic that uplifted hopes for fuel demand recovery. Also, reports of the US President-elect Joe Biden commencing his shift to the White House further supported the price rise. Brent futures spiked by $1.80, settling at $47.86 per barrel, while WTI futures bolstered higher by $1.85, settling at $44.91 per barrel. According to Vandana Hari of Vanda Insights, crude futures had jumped nearly 1.5% in the early hours of Wednesday in Asia as the region's traders piled into the overnight rally that catapulted Brent and WTI futures to nearly 9-month highs amid snowballing cheer over the pandemic vaccines slated to hit the market soon. On Tuesday, OpenSpec naphtha prices edged lower by $1 per metric ton at the $394 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels. Moving on to the Asian market updates for PP, PE and PVC. In PP, this week PP prices bolstered higher in Asia. The sharp price rise was prompted by stronger upstream energy and propylene values, coupled with bullish regional demand trends. Persistent tight product availability and higher PP futures on the Dalian Commodity Exchange in China further supported the price rise. In LDP, this week, LDP prices marched higher across the Asian regions. Prices firmed on the back of stronger regional demand trends and continued tight product availability. Firmer upstream energy and ethylene values further pushed prices higher in Asia. In PVC, PVC prices gained in Asia this week. The price rise was attributed to persistent tight product avails and deals concluded at higher price levels in the region. The price gain was further supported by bullish upstream ethylene, EDC and VCM values. For detailed price assessments of PP, PE and PVC, we invite you to subscribe to Polymer Update. Our weekly benchmark price assessments and analysis are available on our website for all our subscribers to benefit from. Our special newsreel today is sponsored by Delhi-based Nuplast Machinery. Established in the year 2009, Nuplast Machinery is a manufacturer, exporter and supplier of filler master batch machines, disperser kneader machines, palletizing lines, plastic extruder machines, etc. That's all for today's Polymer News. Watch our daily news video tomorrow to know more. It is Wednesday, November 25th. I am Shriyal Dhume. Thank you.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/polymerupdate and be sure to click the like button. You can also find us on Twitter at Polymer Update. For the latest news from the plastics and petrochemicals industry, subscribe to our YouTube channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.